Hello. Hello. Hello.
Welcome to our wild and wonderful world of animal antics. In this video, we bring you some of the funniest and most entertaining animals communicating in ways that are sure to make you laugh out loud. From playful beluga whale to hilarious orangutan asking banana, get ready to see the animal kingdom like never before. Grab some popcorn, sit back, and enjoy the show. These funny creatures are here to make your day brighter. Orangutans are some of the funniest animals around the world. Their playful nature and expressive faces make them natural comedians. Whether they're swinging through the trees, mimicking human actions, or engaging in curious antics, they always find a way to bring a smile to our faces. Their intelligence and curiosity lead to some genuinely hilarious moments that are hard to forget. In this video, clever orangutan asks for a banana and, after enjoying the fruit, playfully tosses the beetle back. Beluga whales are often referred to as the clowns of the sea due to their playful and curious nature. They funny in nature, often known as the comedians of the sea. Their playful and curious nature, combined with their wide range of vocalizations and expressive faces, make them incredibly entertaining. In this clip, the beluga's curious and funny nature shines through, creating moments of pure delight and laughter with the baby girl. Gorillas are not only incredibly intelligent, but they also have a great sense of humor that often surprises people. This man communicate with a little gorilla showcases the incredible bond and understanding that can develop between humans and these intelligent creatures. Such interactions often highlight the gorilla's playful nature, curiosity, and remarkable ability to understand and respond to human gestures and emotions.